In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use star messages feature in WhatsApp. So let's start. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So open WhatsApp and select chat and then search for important message you want to see in future. So I just want to start these messages. So tap on hold any messages and you will see the little star button on the top. So click on star. Now this message will be find easily when you can. So if you want to see these star messages on WhatsApp, click on the three dot on the upper right corner, and here you can see the option star messages. So click on it and you will see the message will be the first position. So in this way you can use star messages feature in WhatsApp. So hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.